Ito ang ating food for today. Kikiam and fishball. Oh, bigay ito sa akin ng aking magandang kaibigan. Thank you, Inday Ann.
I'm gonna eat some raviolis.
Yes, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, I just watching a video.
Mm-hmm. Ang sarap.
We're not gonna make you guys get
Na-miss ko to. Ang sarap ng sauce. Meron siyang sauce, oh. Sweet and sour na soup. Na sauce. Ang sarap!
Go ahead, my love. Do you want me this child,
About you, girl?
and this child?
What?
So annoying.
Is your food good?
I won't be talking a lot in the video, guys.